an advocate. I was representing a party that was against the illegal settlement in the Mau Forest. Today we received a judgment and we celebrate the court for having given a detailed judgment over a petition that was filed by the governor of Kericho and a number of other petitioners claiming part of the Mau Forest. And the court today made a declaration, a major declaration on the same. We are happy that the illegal settlers were today declared to have been illegally in the forest. The title they hold were today declared to be illegally and fraudulently obtained, and we are happy that the same were ordered for cancellation. We welcome this judgment, and we know that the process of reclaiming the Mau Forest has just begun. We are happy that the court stood on the right side and declared this title to be illegal. The declaration also that no compensation should be given to these people was, we welcome that too, and we are happy that the court reasoned in that direction. We are happy that many of people of a similar mind stood with us, and we are happy that they have been standing with us, including the political side of it. We are happy that the Honorable Mutelo Lekenda has been with us, and a few other leaders who have stood with us to this far.